You can't even see me breathe. 'Cause all that is need to be on you.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Katie, aka Action Jackson, back with another video. This is the first video of spooky season 2023. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do this look. This is a gouged out eye special effect. I ended up making my own prosthetic with this mycoli, I'm not sure how to say it, scar wax, or actually it's called the nose and scar wax. I got this off of Amazon last Halloween, never used it for anything. I was trying to find a prosthetic gouged out eye and I couldn't get one in time, so I just ended up making my own with the wax. So y'all will see this whole process from start to finish. I really love how this came out. It looks so freaking cool to me. Like, it looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Like, I don't give myself enough credit. Like, this is so cool, and it really did not take me that long, you guys. It only took me about an hour. And for all my face paints today, I use this You Can Be Planetoid Pro face paint palette. I got this off Amazon Prime. I just literally got it sent to my house this morning because I woke up this morning and was like, I'm gonna do this, like, out of nowhere. And then yeah, everything else that I use is gonna be tagged down below, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, comment down below some more things that y'all want to see, or any ideas, any characters, anything like that. Y'all know how I get about Halloween, so I'm ready to turn it up. And yeah, make sure to leave me a comment, a like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so starting off with one of my eyes bare, I'm just going to take a piece of paper towel and like tape over the eye. Your eye is going to stay closed the entire time, so you want to make sure nothing gets in it. I tried to stick the prosthetic to my eye with no glue. It did not work, so make sure you have some liquid latex or something. I didn't have any, so I'm just using eyelash glue. And it worked fine. Here is my homemade prosthetic. I made it with scar wax, like I told you guys, but you can definitely purchase one from a party store, a Halloween store, Amazon, anywhere really. I just made mine because I was in a time crunch. So you're gonna place it on your eye and then just start mashing around like the edges, trying to blend it into your skin. It's really no science to this. And this is my first time trying it, so I struggled a little bit, but just make sure you're pressing down firmly into the skin. Also, if you put a little bit of oil on your fingers, it will help you like mold the wax a little bit better. I'm just using this little nail tool that I got from Walgreens. And again, mashing around the edges, trying to get it to be like flush to my skin. And this is me cracking hell up because I looked in the mirror. So I'm just gonna go around and remove any extra wax that I have around my like eyebrow. And once you have it all molded down to your skin, I'm pressing down deep, like in the middle of the eye, to give it a open look, I guess. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're gonna go ahead and grab a foundation that is your skin color and blend that over the top. I also added a little bit of powder, just because I didn't know how the foundation would mix with the face paint, and I didn't want anything to be like greasy. So now here's the fun part. You're gonna take some purple and black face paint and go around the edges of the eye, pretty much on the inside. Then you're gonna take red and you're gonna color the middle part, like the main part of the hole. So this is where the eyeball would be at. Then I'm just going to take a blue color on like a dry brush, and I'm going to start creating like my bruising around the edges of the eye. And to do bruising, it's really just like a mix of blues, purples, reds, and then like a little bit of yellow on the edge. So it's honestly no perfect way to do it. Just play around with it until it starts to look real. Taking some black and going again around the edges. This is just going to help it look like a deeper and more realistic gouged out eye. And I really was going back and forth, y'all, between like the actual eye and the bruising. So here I am taking the purple and adding that. And right here, what I'm doing is taking a brush with no product on it and using it just to like blend the color out. Taking some yellow and adding it to like the edges. Y'all know like bruises, they get a little bit of that yellowy color on the edges. Then you're going to take some scar blood, like the really thick, sticky type of blood, and you're going to fill in the inside of your eye where you painted it red. The messier, the better. It does not have to be perfect. I'm going to take a regular fluffy eyeshadow brush and take some red paint and just dab everywhere pretty messily. This is that same type of blood. I wanted it to like kind of dangle from my eye and look really nasty. So I was scooping it up and just like placing it on the inside of my eye, really messy like. Now I'm just adding some like drips of blood to go down my face. And obviously, I feel like if your eye got gouged out on one side, you're definitely going to have some damage to the rest of your face. So I'm going to go through and just add some finishing touches, some more bruising on the other side, some scars, all of that. And this is just like alternation of red face paint and blood. So after a couple more bruises and a couple more drops of blood all around the face, this is going to be your finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to tag me if you decide to recreate it, and I will see you guys in my next spooky video. Bye.